Hello, let us discuss the benefits of OOP, that is Object Oriented Programming. OOP offers several benefits to both the program designer and the user. Object Oriented contributes to the solution of many problems associated with the development and quality of the software product. The new technology promises greater programming productivity, better quality of software, and lesser maintenance cost. The principal advantages are: first, through inheritance, redundant code can be eliminated and extended the use of existing classes. Programs can be built from the standard working modules that communicate with one another rather than having to start writing the code from the scratch. That leads to saving of the development time and higher productivity. The principle of data hiding helps the programmer to build secure programs that cannot be invaded by code in other parts of the program. It is possible to fetch multiple instances of an object to coexist without any interference. It is possible to map objects in the problem domain to those in the program. It is easy to partition the work in a project based on objects. The data-centered design approach enables us to capture more details of a model on implementable form. Object-oriented system can be easily upgraded from small to large systems. Message passing technique for communication between objects makes the interface description with external systems much simpler. Software complexity can be easily managed. While it is possible to incorporate all these features in an object-oriented system, their importance depends on the type of project and the preference of the programmer. There are a number of issues that need to be tackled to reap more of the benefits stated above. There are a number of issues that need to be tackled to reap more of the benefits stated above. For instance, object libraries must be available for reuse. The the technology is still developing and current products may be superseded quickly. Strict controls and protocol need to be developed if reuse is not to be compromised. Applications of object-oriented programming. OOP has become one of the programming buzzwords today. There appears to be a great deal of excitement and interest among software engineers in using OOP. Applications of OOP are beginning to gain importance in many areas. The most popular application of OOP up to now has been in the area of user interface design, such as Windows. There are hundreds of windowing systems developed using OOP techniques. Real business systems are often much more complex and contain many more objects with complicated attributes and methods. OOP is useful in this type of application because it can simplify a complex problem. The programming areas of for application of OOP include real-time system, simulation and modeling, artificial intelligence and expert system, hypertext, hypermedia and expert text, object-oriented databases, neural networks and parallel programming, decision support and office automation system, SIM, CAM, CAT system. So these are the promising area for application of object-oriented programming. So in this lecture we discussed benefits of the object-oriented programming and its promising area where object-oriented programming are used. So we will end our class here till next class. Bye and have a nice day.